Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm looking a bit different today, and that's because I'm not feeling very well right now. So I'm going to do this makeup tutorial to go from ill to well, and this is my version of it. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to do put on a bit of moisturizer. Nivea Soft, just so I have something underneath my makeup. It just wakes up my skin a bit more. And then I would usually put some protection on. See if I can find it. Here it is. Then I put my sun protection on after I use my eye cream. This number 7 Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Eye Cream. Take a little bit like that, size like that, and do under and over the eyes. Because I get dark circles whenever I'm ill. I'm prone to dark circles. Whenever I'm ill or run down, that's what happens. And I can get spots. So I've got this number 7 Protect and Perfect Intense Advanced Facial Sun Protection in SPF 50. So dots all over my face. And just this will protect your skin from the sun. I'm not going out, but it's just good practice, you know. I use sun protection every single day, even if I'm indoors. I want my skin to still be teenage smooth for a long time. The only thing, my hair just gets so messy whenever I do that part. Okay, then I'd go with this number 7 Airbrush Away Radiance Boosting Primer, and I take plenty of it just so it gives me enough slip on my face for the makeup to go on. It makes my skin look lovely, even just with this on. It just makes my skin perk up immediately. And just put some under the eyes as well, just a tiny bit. Like this amount, and use my ring fingers to distribute it under and over the eyes. And just do one last smoothing over, just to make sure it's all over my face. And then what I'll do is, I'll do the mascara next. I do my mascara first, because I want to give it time to dry as I apply my foundation. I'm going to use lipstick as blusher today because I don't have any powder blusher left. And actually I think it's better than powder blusher because it gives me more of a dewy glow with this particular lipstick that I'm about to use today. Let me just check the mirror. Shit! Oh my god. It's part of the outtakes. Okay. It's because the wire's on the table. So that's why the stand fell over. Now I've got some mascara under my eyes after that. The camera right? I hope it is. Okay. Right. Let's get the foundation. Well, it's not foundation. It's BB cream actually. Number 7 Beauty Balm Tinted Skin Veil. This has some SPF as well, but I like to use SPF underneath it because this won't be enough protection throughout the day. So it's best to be doubly sure that you've got some protection underneath, especially during the summer when it's hot and the sun's at its strongest. Okay. Always makes me feel better whenever I do my makeup. It just gives me that opportunity to feel awake. You know, to feel well even if I'm not. Because when I see that my face looks well, it makes me feel well, like a psychosomatic phenomenon, you know? And that's what I really like about makeup. Now, I'll need to use my concealer now, because this mascara makes me look like I have dark circles even more. Because it, you know, sometimes it transfers onto your eye socket and it can make you look like you have dark circles. Okay. Now for the number 7 Hydraluminous Dark Circle Corrector. I know it's hard to tell that that's where it is because it's worn away, but that's what it is. Okay. Do these areas here. Feels like I've already got blusher on actually. That's weird. Maybe I need a bit more BB cream on my cheeks. Now, I'm going to use this lipstick as blusher, this Raspberry Pearl lipstick from Larvel. And just put a bit like that on my cheeks, on the apples. And I'll just rub that in, just to give me a bit of colour. Because I find putting colour on your lips and cheeks definitely helps you to look better. And this tutorial is here to show you that when you're using the colours that are right for you, it really will make you look well even if you're not. Because I'm in the summer palette, so I need summer colours in my makeup too. Because if I use any colours from the spring or autumn palette especially, they will make me look even more ill. So I need to use colours from my own palette. Winter colours aren't bad, but they are too bright. So it needs to be from the summer palette. So it's my very best. There we go, plenty of colour now. It gives me that little, because it's raspberry pearl, this lipstick. It gives me a bit of a dewy glow, which I really like. And lastly, I'll choose a red lipstick today. A soft cherry lipstick from number 7, Moisture, I think it's Moisture Drench, yeah. This one here. I'm going to put this on. You can do a wash of it, or you can build it up. So you can do a wash, like that. And just rub that on the lips. Spread it around. Or you can just whack it on and be bold with the lipstick, like I'm about to do. It needs to be a softer red for me, nothing too bright. Because otherwise you see the lipstick before me. Just check the mirror. Without a wire interfering this time, making the camera fall over. And there we are. So now, I think I'm looking a lot better than I did before. Sort the hair out a little bit. There we go. So this is the tutorial, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly feel better now. And to make the transformation complete, wowzer. Okay. I'm gonna do a YouTube short as well to show this look off in natural daylight, because this is not natural daylight. But this is just to show you a tutorial. I'm wearing this navy, I'm wearing navy and white today. So it's very classic, and to add a red lip adds a pop of colour. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I actually feel better now that I've done this tutorial as well. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.